Hello everybody. Today we are going to study about creating and publishing web pages, or you can say blog. In the web pages we are going to study about the blog, how to create blog. So this is the topic of class 10 unit 2 web applications basic. So what are blogs? We know already about the blog. A blog is a discussion style site used by non-technical or technical users for creating personal web pages. It is similar to your personal diary. You can use a blog to convey messages about events, announcements, news, reviews, etc. Blogs are usually managed using a web browser, and this requires active internet connection. You can also use offline blog software to create content first and later publish the content when an active internet connection is available. There are hundreds of websites that offers blog service for free. Some of the popular blogs include www.wordpress.com, second www.blogger.com, third is www.blog.com, fourth www.weebly.com, next www.blogsum.com. So how to create blog? In this session I am going to tell you how to create a blog or online personal diary. Okay, I am going to do with this thing with blogger.com. So see what you need to do. Open your Chrome browser. In that you write blogger.com. Okay, as it gets open, you should have a Gmail account on it. Okay, I already telling you should have Gmail account for creating blog in blogger.com. So for this what you need to do, create a new blog, add title. Now write down the title of your blog. I'm giving the title computer class 10402. Okay, then here you have to create a URL for your blog. Okay, so I am creating in the name of 402 class 10 access. Okay, so this is the URL which I have creating. So this blog address is available. Then afterward you have to save it. Now you have your own URL for this blog. Now afterward the first post will show you how many posts you have. So this I creating now, so still now I don't have any kind of post here, so it will, that's why it is showing here there are no posts. Stats will represent you how many people, how many followers of you are there, how many posts you have posted here, and what are the comments you received in 7 days, in last 24 hours. Based on the timeline you can see all the available data in your blog. Then afterward from here you can see your comments, and also better you can earn from your blog. Once you eligible for the conditions for the monetizing, then afterwards you can earn money for this. Money for this is from your blogs. Okay, so here all the conditions you can see. Read it very carefully if you want to earn from the blogs. Okay, you can pause it and you can open in your own computer. See, here the one condition, are you at least 18 years old? If you are at if you are of 18 years old, then only you can monetize with your blogs. Otherwise you are not able to gain money from this. Okay, we can only accept application from applications who are 18 or over. Okay, so if you are in class 10 or you are below 18, better you cannot earn money from this, and they are not able to accept your blogs. Okay, for opening blog account you should of 18 years old. Then it will show you the pages, layout. Layout means the design of the page. Okay, so add gadgets, about me, you can write here. At here you can add some gadgets, blog archive. So anyone you can select for your blog page, and this is your theme. Based on your blog data you can select any kind of theme. Suppose I am taking notables, simple, so many kind of themes are there. Okay, you can select any theme. If you are making a travel vlog, you can select this. So better it's upon you, any kind of theme you can choose from here. Okay, so let's take notable. Apply. Now this theme is applied on my blockchain. Now this is setting. In setting with the title, you can, if you have done any kind of mistake, you can change. If you want to change the title of your blog, you can change from here. Save it. Okay, then afterward you can give description. This is for helping my viewers for who are interested in creating blog account. Okay, save. So here, if you are posting some kind of adult content which you feel that it is not safe for the kids, so you can check this. Google Analytics, property ID, privacy, publishing. So all these information you can see one by one in detail. Okay, now reading list, view blog. At last you can view your blog here. So there are still nothing, I have not created any kind of blog. Now next is how to create blogs. Now I am going to create post on it. So check on this. My post title is how to create blog by using blogger.com. Okay, you can change font. It's a major heading, so I'm using as major heading. I want it in bold as well as an underline. Okay, and afterwards I type this. Now before publishing I want to check how it will look on my blog page. It's too big. So before posting it or publishing it, I want to change it. So this I'm giving a normal. Now let's see how it will look. Okay, a POG is a discussion style used by a non-technical or technical user. So it will look like this. Okay, so you can add so many things here. Again, I'm going to change it. If you want to use any kind of assembly, or you want to make your alignment justify, then afterward publish it. Now let's talk about the nodes. Blog. A blog is a discussion style site used by non-technical or technical users for creating personal web pages. Blogs are similar to an online personal diary and simple to use. We can use a blog to convey messages about events, announcements, news, reviews, etc. So websites, I already told you what are these websites. These are the websites from which we can make blogs. Okay. So afterwards I already show you how to create a blog on it. So that's all for the today. We will continue with the next session in next class. Thank you.